isinduitang ka na kung career opportunity. Anyong fresh graduate ko kapatid.
Yeah,
Nung pa rin ako kaya ngayon eh.
Most of my students, may mag-medreps lang yan yata, area head lang po, mas mayaman lang pa ka na ako niya.
Ay,
Dapat
sayang.
mag-submit na rin resume.
Too late. Okay, Pam. Ito na sasabihan nyo kaya kami, then, magugulat kami ka rin perks sasabihan nyo. Itang question ko, why stay as medrep for 9 years, for 15 years? One is, kayo ba mapopromote? Alabang promotion, kapatid? Usually, di ba?
Oo.
What's the reason? Why stay as medrep for 9 years?
O yan yung talagang buriyo, you would rather stay as medreps.
Ali, mas manyaman kasi yung medrep as a manager. Kasi yung manager, dakal nakatatal ng tao. Unlike yung medrep, agagawa mo pa yung dapat, yung buri mong gawan.
Makanya.
Wow, kasi siyempre kami, more of doctors mo, makanta, o na yung boss, tatalnan mo na din 7 medreps.
Sakit ka buntok.
Yes.
Edwin, why for 15 years not go up ladder?
Was that a personal
Choice?
decision, a choice?
Kasi I enjoyed so much being a medrep. And then during the process, when I was starting as a medrep, itong mga naging boss ko, lagi nilang sinasabi sa akin yung problems nila being a boss. Edwin, ganito, ganito. Edwin, may ganito na naman, ganito. So, na-breed nila ako na maraming problema yung nagiging...
Maraming sakit ng ulo.
Maraming sakit ng ulo.
Ba't nga naman gusto mo maging boss kung sasakit naman ang ulo mo? But then again, you see, is it still financially rewarding? Just being a medrep? Or baka naman, sayang naman, mas maragul ka sweldo nung ikay maging manager.
Hindi.
Konti lang siguro.
Ganon.
Konti
So
lang ang
it's just-
diferensya, pero mas maraming sakit ng ulo.
Oo, it's just the
The title.
the title, no? Ita mo kabut ne, talagang
Dagdagan ng sweldo, dagdagan na kamantas.
at sakit ka buntok.
Yeah, pero nung makanana yung sa psyching sarili, yung itang bang bukas-bukas da kayo, balik-balik, maluwat manay na yun. Makanana yung kukontrol yung patience yung karin. Nung ako siguro, kung malyari kayo
Only to be told na, ay, busy ko ngayon ni Pam, ka-entertain.
Actually, partner, pero kasi, nung i-visa, ang nakakaroon ng doktor, kala ka naman naman ng doktor punta ng ibinetong building. Punta na kami ng building.
Bangay masaya.
Bangay masaya. Tsaka tandaan mo, time is cold. Amo, watang pwede niya, puntalan mo ulit, makantyan niya ito. I-divert mo itang kaya, may isipan ta, minor ya ito. Ibagay yung job.
Would you recommend this career, kareng bayang graduates, Edwin?
Yes.
What ang tagal? Yes. Wala.
Baka kasi may iba silang naisip like mag-business. Pero if they will be a employee,
Other opportunities.
Other opportunities.
O, nung balikan mo yung past mo, would you have rather gone into another career than...
yes.
Really?
Yes.
Kung di kayo medreps ngayon, ano kaya kayo?
Ako, I dreamt of being an engineer. Pero hindi ko natupad, no? Pero siguro, ibabalik ko pa yung nakaraan. Naging nurse siguro ako.
Okay.
Eh,
How about
Pam?
Pam? Do you see yourself in any other career?
O medrep pa rin?
Siguro nurse ko.
Nurse din. Related, kapatid. Still related to your, nanong ingke kayong buri pang i-achieve. You see, dakal na, it is financially rewarding. Will you stay in this career for good? Or mimisip kayo pa bang someday, lumuwal pang mo rin kay karera yan?
Oo naman.
Like what?
Actually, ako, bisa akong ngayon mag-aral nurse. Para kapag, siyempre, ikit ko kayong states nung masyadong in-demanding nurse ka rin.
Because nagbiyahe ka rin naikit mo mismo.
Ikit ko masanting, so bisa akong mag-aral.
Really?
Mag-nurse.
Go back to work, go back to school and be a
Yes.
nurse. Edwin,
Well, right now,
this far in your career,
in the near future, okay pa naman ako dito. Pero, syempre, pag a bigger opportunity knocks, why not?
even after 15 years.
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever been burned up? Dakal kuha kakasabing medreps, ing metong kanong kalabanan ng medrep, ita pa-burn out lang itang yang gagawin.
Tapos every year, tatas in quota,
Yes,
tatas in
yes.
targets, dara ka rin kalaban.
Magkaka-burn out ka rin ba?
Ako, di ko kasi madaguling area ako. Nung mamalyari man ka na ako, itamuta ako kayong Subic. Kasi yung takot kitang kayong beach. Eh di magkaya ko, okay, yan ka. Kasi ngayari ako masanting niya. Magbiyahe ko everyday, alwa-alwa yung lugar. Eh kung mag-stay, ay kung
No time for burnout.
Yes.
Okay, Edwin, mag-burnout ka ba?
Right now, hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Then,
Do you see yourself going to that particular phase in your career?
I don't see and I don't want. Because after doing my best, at wala pa rin,
Then,
then,
it's about time to say, goodbye, Glax.
Ito, for the last question, how do you take some time to have a social life? Kasi
Yeah.
targets, quota, mag-rounds kayo ka rin, doctor.
Is that important to you? Now, you see, break it. I-break yan,
Aside
relax
from
it.
going to the beach in Subic, Tita Pam.
Actually, Brami, flexible, yap. So, alang, di sila, magobra ka, ating makikipagsosyala. Nakakasi, kaya na rin kayo, tana ka na naman kitang daka mo SM, minum kang kape, masagli mo, ating kang friend,
Plus ang aliwang med reps, kaya ba yun?
Yes, kaya ba. Tsaka, yung tamang problema mo kaya kami, late kami mo lunch. 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, makanta.
Really? How do you,
You're a family man.
How do you socialize? How do you break the routine? Nang
Well,
gagawan mo? Are you into sports?
you mentioned sports. During weekends, gusto ko mawala na sa akin tong formal attire. If you see
Is
me...
that your attire the whole week?
Yeah.
Oh my
This
God.
is my uniform. Gusto ko kasi pagka weekends, naka-chinelas na lang ako. Show, naka-ordinaryong t-shirt. And then, one of the things that I love to do is to go to the mountains.
Nature tripping.
Yes, nag-off-roading ako, 4x4.
Okay.
Doon sa walang signal ng cellphone.
Para walang...
Walang istorbo. Okay. Kapatan kaya katamong, these are things na we take for granted. Para karela, as med reps, para karela, it's something that is heavenly already.
At palagi ko, dahil kaya betalak nga ni Pam and Edwin, dakal ka rin 4th year college nga ni medyo mag-isip-isip na. Baka makapag-BMW na rin ka lumalang Pam.
The real BMW.
Baka they just might try this career, di ba?
Okay.
Kayo po Maglipad Channel, magbalik ka pa rin po persona.
Makanano lang makakasahop ng med reps kayo. Mas ka rin doctors.
In terms of information do sa mga